How to download Spark AR on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Spark AR on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and go down here until you find download your information and click here this one, this select all and go select this one, Spark AR, click on it and then just select data range and format and media quality and then just click create file and wait until file created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe. See you in the next video.